Hello, this is a quick look at the markets for today, Monday, June 30th. We have a pretty early start to the economic calendar today, starting at 6 o'clock GMT when we have retail sales from Germany. It's not expected to generate all that much volatility. A similar situation at 6 o'clock GMT when we have construction and housing orders from Japan, which might have an impact on the Japanese yen. Then at 8:30 GMT we have mortgage approvals from the United Kingdom, which could have more of an impact on British equities than it will on the currency. Then at 9 o'clock GMT we have Eurozone Consumer Price Index, which is a key component of policy decisions by the European Central Bank. And we have a meeting coming up on Thursday, so if we have a significant miss over expectations here, we could see some volatility in the euro as well as in European equities. Then at 12:30 GMT we have GDP data from Canada, which could have an impact on Canadian equities. And then finally at 2 o'clock in the afternoon we have pending home sales from the United States, which is an important indicator of economic health for the United States, more of an impact on equities than on the dollar. The S&P 500 on Friday moved a little bit higher, but still didn't manage to close out the week higher. During the weekend, we had a diminish in the overall appreciation for risk in geopolitical risk, which it gives us a more positive outlook at the beginning of the week. So during early trading today in the Asian session, Asian stocks moved higher, but at the start of the European session, S&P 500 futures are trading pretty much neutral at the moment, giving us a somewhat wait-and-see outlook for investors, especially considering we have important data coming out today and later in the week. The euro has been slowly inching higher, but it's still encountering some strong resistance here at 136.60. With the ECB policy meeting coming up, there's a potential that the ECB might not do anything to affect the currency, and this might generate some upside risk for the euro later in the week. And then on the downside we have support at 135.90. The pound has been having some trouble getting above resistance here at 170.60. Without any major data release coming out to affect the pound today. And then on the downside we have support at 169.70. The yen has been gaining some strength versus the dollar over the last month. This is as the Japanese economy has been absorbing the tax hike, and it's getting this currency pair is getting pretty close to support here, which we have at 101.25. Given the increasing strength in the Japanese yen, we might be looking at a breakout on the downside here in the short term, so we should be keeping an eye open for that. And then on the upside, we have resistance at 101.75. And then finally we have gold. Gold has been trading pretty much sideways over the last couple of weeks after the strong move on the upside. It's still keeping within its range of support at 1,310, where we have a relatively weak resistance at 1,330, and then strong resistance at 1,340. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and happy trading.